Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you Samsung Galaxy A55 tips and tricks you have to know. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy A55 and the first tips and tricks I'm going to show you is about object eraser. I'm going to show you how you can erase object from your image easily using object eraser feature. So I'm going to go to my gallery and then I'm going to choose a photo I want to remove an object from. And for example, I'm going to choose this photo and we can click on this pencil icon. Okay, and then select this icon guys and select the object eraser. Okay, then you can tap or draw on the object you want to erase. I'm going to tap on this emoji. Okay, and just click on erase and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now as you can see that the object has been removed from my photo. Then we can click on done. Okay, then just click on save. Okay, and the second tips I'm going to show you is about the auto restart. You can go to your settings and then go to the device care. Okay, this one, and select the auto optimization. Then you can activate the auto restart right here. Just tap on the auto restart, then you can select restart when needed, and your phone will restart automatically when performance issues are detected. Okay, and the third one is about the camera widget. I'm going to show you how you can quickly access your camera from your home screen, and you can customize the camera. Just tap and hold on any empty area on your home screen, go to the widget and select the camera widget. Okay, and then click on custom camera. Okay, and click on add, and here you can customize the camera guys. For the camera, I'm going to choose wait for the starting mode. I'm going to select rear camera, and I'm going to select portrait for my camera. So when I tap on the camera widget, the rear camera will be opened and it will be set to portrait. Okay, and I'm going to go back, and then for the widget background, I'm just going to select an image. I'm going to select this image and click on save. Okay, and now the camera widget has been added to my home screen, and I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to tap on that, and the camera will be opened quickly according to the mode I have set. Okay. And then the last one is about hiding screenshot bar. You can go to your settings and then you can go to the advanced features. Wait guys, I'm going to open up the advanced features, and you are going to go to the screenshots and screen recordings. Okay, and then you can activate this feature, hide status and navigation bar. Here I have activated this feature, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So I'm going to take a screenshot of my home screen. Okay, and the status and navigation bar will be hidden. I'm going to check it guys. I'm going to go to the screenshots. Okay, as you can see that the navigation bar has been hidden. Alright guys, and that's all of the Samsung Galaxy A55 tips and tricks you have to know. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.